Okay guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove flashlight from lock screen in Samsung A54 5G. So if you have the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G and you want to remove the flashlight from your lock screen, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on wallpaper and style. Then click on the lock screen, which is the first one under wallpaper and style. Then you should see the flashlight. To remove it, click on it once. Then come here and select No App. Once selected No App, go ahead and click on Done at the top right. Then you should see changes applied to lock screen. Now when next your phone screen is locked, then you should discover that the flashlight has been removed. So that's exactly how to remove flashlight from lock screen in Samsung A54 5G. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.